Hello dear students, so welcome again in my English class. As in my previous video I told you about formal letter, so here I am going to discuss about informal letter. Okay, so first what is letter? This is letter writing. I will recapitulate all these things about letter writing. What is letter writing? It is written message. Okay? Conveyed from one person to another by a post. Okay, so this is letter. What is letter? Letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another by post. Is that clear? And you know for what purpose letter is written? For the purpose of writing letter is communication by written message. Okay, communication by written message. So this is the purpose, by written prospect, written message, by written form. So this is the purpose of writing letter. As I told you, letter are divided into two parts. First, formal letter, and second, informal letter. Formal letter always used for business purpose, for professional use, and for by government, and to write any letter to government department. Okay, and informal letter always written to family, friends and relatives. Okay, so now it is replaced even today by WhatsApp and phone messages. इसकी जगह अब किसने ले ली है इनफॉर्मल लेटर की? अब लेटर्स बहुत कम लिखे जाते हैं एंड इट इज़ रिप्लेस बाय व्हाट्सअप मैसेज. व्हाट्सअप करके एंड फ़ोन कॉल करके सभी हाल चाल जान लेते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई द क्रेज ऑफ इनफॉर्मल लेटर इज़ नाउ लेस, नाउ बिकम लेस. ओके, अब क्रेज नहीं है इसका. बट हियर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट the format of informal letter. The formal letter we have discussed in my previous video, and here I will discuss only informal letter. Okay, so what thing you will use while writing? You will what thing you will concentrate on while writing informal letter? The first thing that you have to concentrate here, the first thing is sender's detail. Okay, that contains name and address. Okay, and the second thing is date. Date should be in expanded form, like 27th August 2020. In this way you will write date. Okay, and then salutation. Okay, you know, if you are writing this letter, if you are writing informal letter, so what should be salutation is dear mother. Okay, dear father. And if you are writing this letter to your best friend, then what should be? Besties. अगर आप किसी फ्रेंड को लिख रहे हैं तो what should be their besties. Okay, so in this way you will write salutation. And after that, what thing you will use? This is body. Body is divided into 3 parts. The first, introduction, and second, elaboration, or description, and third, summary. Okay, or should be conclusion. It should be summary or conclusion. Okay, so body is divided into 3 parts, 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph contains introduction, and second paragraph we will describe, we will elaborate the event, and we will give a detailed description of the event. Okay, and in third paragraph we summarize the all things that we have discussed in our 2 paragraphs. Here we will summarize and give a suitable conclusion of all this. Okay, and you know, the next thing that you will use while writing informal letter, this is complimentary clause. This should be complimentary clause. Like if you are writing informal letter, what should be the complimentary clause? Your loving and sincerely, and that thing you will use while writing this complimentary clause. Okay, and then what thing you will use after that? Name and signature. Okay, so name and signature should be in you will not write the complete name here, you will write nickname. You will use only nickname that is used by that person to whom you are writing this letter. जो स्पेशली उस पर्सन के द्वारा यूज किया गया हो नेम जिसको आप लेटर लिख रहे हो. समटाइम्स यू नो दैट फ्रेंड्स के कुछ अलग नेम होते हैं, फ्रेंड्स अपने फ्रेंड्स के कुछ और नेम से पुकारते हैं, एंड देन मदर एंड पेरेंट्स मतलब कुछ किसी और नेम से बुलाते हैं आपको. सो यू विल राइट दैट नेम बाय विच द पर्सन टू whom you are writing this letter call you. Okay, and you know these are the things that you will use while writing informal letter. The first, you will use sender's detail, to whom you are as you are sender, so you have to write your detail. ओके, हु इज सेंडर, जो पत्र लिख रहा है, जो लेटर लिख रहा है, हु इज सेंडर. सो हियर यू विल राइट योर ओन डिटेल विद नेम एंड एड्रेस, एंड देन डेट शुड बी इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लाइक 27 अगस्त 2020. ओके, आपको वैसे डेट नहीं लिखनी है लाइक दैट. अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हैं 27/8/2020, then it will be wrong. गलत होगी. ओके, so you will only use the date in expanded form here while writing letter. Is that clear? And then you will write salutation. Salutation, if you are writing this letter to your mother, then you will write dear mother, dear father. Or if you are writing this letter to your friend, then you will use besties. Okay, and then the next thing is you will use body. This is very important part. Body is divided into 3 paragraphs. It's first para. In first para you will use introduction. You will write introduction of the event and for which you are writing this letter, and here you will elaborate the description. Okay, so you will use the complete description, detailed description of the event for which you are writing letter. This is second para. Okay, and in third paragraph you will use you will write summary or conclusion in the form of conclusion, and the suitable conclusion should be there. Okay, is that clear? And the next thing, complimentary clause. Here should be complimentary clause. Is that clear? Like if you are writing this letter to your friend, to your mother, to your relatives, then these things you can use. Your loving, your sincerely, and like that. And the name and signature is the last topic, last point that you will use while writing letter. And here you will use the nickname, not your complete name. अपना पूरा नेम नहीं यूज करना है आपको यहाँ. You know, complete name can be used if you are writing formal letter, and this is informal. So what you are for your mother, for your father, for your best friend, so you will write that name by which the person to whom you are writing this letter call you. Okay, so all these things you have to write, you have to keep in your mind while writing informal letter. Then I will discuss about the format. I will use these things in format. So first, sender's detail. Okay, the first thing you should keep in your mind that you have to use everything on that side. Either this is sender address, date or anything else. आपको सारी चीजें इस साइड यूज करनी है. Sender's detail that contains name and address. Okay, and then leave one line space and you will use date in expanded form. Okay, and then leave one line space, and then what thing you will write here? Its salutation. Okay, dear mother, dear father, besties, and anything. Okay, then leave one line space and start body. As I told you, body contains 3 paragraphs. First para, contains introduction of the event. And second, contains detailed description. And third, conclusion or summary. Okay, and then here should be complimentary clause. As your loving and sincerely, and here you will write your name and signature. Name should be nickname. Okay, clear? So you will use your these things, that points as I discussed before, in that way while writing letter. Okay, so this is the example of letter. You are just looking here. Here the sender's address is written in the beginning of that, and then date is in expanded form, and here you are writing, you are looking that the salutation is written here. So first the question of that letter is, now what is the question? क्वेश्चन क्या है इसका? जो आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं इसका क्वेश्चन क्या है? what is the question? So question is, write a letter to your friend, to your best friend, to wish her or him a birthday. Okay, his or her birthday. So here the salutation is besties, and body is divided into 3 paragraphs. So this is body. As you are looking, first, I can't believe that one of my oldest and surely my closest friend is already 28. You don't look that. That these things there. And thank for all your support, idiot. I hope that you have a year full of blessings. Some of the communical. You had written that. In that way you are looking that. In that way you will write letter. Okay, so as this is divided into 3 paragraphs. Is that clear? So in this video I told you about informal letter and the things that you will remember while writing informal letter. These are sender address, date and salutation, and date should be in expanded form, and most the body is divided into 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph you will use introduction and of the event for which you are writing this letter, and then in second paragraph you will give detailed description, and in third paragraph you will summarize the events. Okay, this event that you have discussed before in previous 2 paragraphs. Okay, and there should be a complementary clause, and at last you will use your name and signature. And just remember that while writing in formal letter you will use a nickname. Okay, thank you.